Hi Mahesh.
Hi, Shweta.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, today I am giving to explain a presentation for some presentation like that in
So
application.
which topic?
Yeah, running setup wizard. Like now I can share my screen.
Okay, you can share this.
My screen is visible to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead, please.
Today I am explaining running the setup up wizard. So in this practice, you will be build SSS application. Okay, I can build this application. What he assumes, what he assumes, you have the EPM cloud URL and login credentials. Okay. What are the tasks? Login to the EPM cloud. What is that URL? Is EPMCS server 9000 EPM cloud. And what is that username? Admin. And also the password is also giving. So that is the purpose. I am going to the application. Now after that selecting financial consolidation and close. Here this is the financial consolidation and close. Suppose you can start the here what he says, select financial consolidation and close. That is the purpose. I am selecting the financial consolidation and close, create new application. Here, click start to open the application setup wizard. Okay, that point I can say to the here I am select start. I can select this start. Now I can go to the another page. Okay. The window is coming like this. My window is coming like this. Okay. Next I want to move to the here top right corner. One of the next button is there here. Yeah, here. What he now I am giving to the application name practice. If you want to the description, you can give. Yeah. Then after that, he was what he says, click next. That is the purpose. Top right corner is the next button is available. So I am selecting the next. Then in the details page, provide the following details, number of months, 12 months. So here I am selecting 12 months, 13 months and 12 months. So I am selecting follow to the activity guide for this purpose, selecting 12 months. Next, start and end year. What are the 2020 to 2029? Yeah, start and end year 2022, end year 2029. So 2029 is there. Next, this is the first month of the fiscal year is January. So here, first month of the fiscal year, if you want which month in that activity guide mentioned January. So I am selecting January. Okay. Next, main currency is USD. Yeah, main currency is USD. So USD. Next, then click next. Here, the top right corner, next button is there. Okay. Now, now here, in on the features page, select the following options. Consolidation enabled. Okay. This is the consolidation enabled. Now, first of all, I am enabled. Okay. Then balance sheet hierarchy. You can select traditional balance sheet approach. So that is the purpose I am selecting traditional balance sheet hierarchy. This blue indicates what I am selecting. That will be shows for the blue. So next is journal adjustment. What he was say yes with workflow. So that is the purpose I am selecting yes with workflow. Now coming to the document multi-gap. Yes with manual adjustment. So this is the multi-gap. Yes with manual adjustment. I am selecting as per the follow to the activity guide. Now intercompany data. Yes with tracking. So intercompany yes with tracking. Now again go to the activity guide. Here, intercompany entities aggregation is addition. This is the intercompany entities aggregation is the addition. Now another one is the include ratio. Sorry, CTA account is the balance sheet. This is the CTA account is enable. You can select up later. Okay. Include ratios calculation, liquid ratio, asset management, ratio, profitability ratio, and leverage ratio. So here I am selecting these four: leverage ratio, leverage, profitability ratio, leverage ratio. Then go to this activity guide. Ownership management, no. So ownership management is no. Okay. Then custom dimension is product. Okay. These are the custom dimensions. So what he says, create one custom dimension is product. Yeah, product I am selecting. Next, translated currency input enable. Yeah, translated currency input is enable. Next, parent input is enabled. Contribution input, supplemental data connection, these two also the enable. That is the purpose. I am enabling contribution input is enable and supplemental data collection. Supplemental data collection is there. Now I am enabling. Mm, Now after that, this is the now I am in feature step. Once I am check this. Okay, okay. Then I want to click on next. Yeah, this type window look like this window. Then next, the review of the details in the review page. Okay, this is the review page. What we have to select. This is the final for the application creation. Yeah, these are the selecting as per the mentioned for the activity guide. Okay, then click create to start the application create status. So that is the purpose I am creating. I am selecting create. Now application creation status. Application creation has been initiated. Please wait for completion status. Now waiting for the application creation. Going to the document. Application will be creation within 10 to 15 minutes. So wait for the 10 to 15 minutes. Now after that application is created, once I am showing the home page and what are those, the application creation is running. It will be takes 10 to 15 minutes time around. So I'm waiting for the application creation.
Okay,
Once it can be finished, I can show the home page.
sure.
Yeah. Finally, this type of dialog box is coming. Application creation successfully. Hit on OK. This is the home page. This is the home page. Application home page will be visible once the application is created successfully. Now my application is successfully created, so I can see I can visible this type of screen as giving the activity guide. Okay. This concludes setup wizard is completed. Now I can move adding a new feature using enable features. So in this practice, you will add a new features using the FCCS configuration wizard. Okay. Mm, Now what are the tasks is there? Log into the FCCS application. Okay. Now I am logging to the FCCS application. Okay. Click on the application cluster and then select configuration card. Okay. Here the application. Now here the configuration card is there. Now hit on that. So yeah, on the configuration page, click enable. Okay, here the click enable. So I am hit on the click enable. What he mentioned in that activity guide. Then select ownership management, equity pickup, and partner elimination. Okay, these three are selecting in the document has right that. So I can move to the application here, enable. Ownership management. Okay. It can be take little bit time for enabling. Yeah, okay. Now here enable features. In that document, what he says that ownership management, equity pickup, and partner elimination. Here the checkbox, equity pickup, partner elimination. Now I can check and hit on enable. Like this, one of the final page is coming. Now enabling features process is now moving. Yeah, here the dialog box is coming. The consolidation functionality that you selected was successfully enabled. Before you can use this feature, sign out and sign in again. Okay. Now coming to the activity guide. Okay. You will receive the following message once your process is complete. The consolidation functionality is that you selected was successfully enabled. Before you can use this feature, so sign out and sign in again. So I am connected with the application. This is the home page. This is the sign out. Hit on OK. The application is sign out. Now again sign in for this using credentials. This is the home page. Okay. This is the way of enable the features. Now I can go to the another. Navigating financial consolidation and close. Here in this practice, you will learn, you will log into the FCCS application. Yes, I already log into the application. Okay, assumptions, you have the EPM cloud URL, login credentials. Okay, I already did. Tasks, so log into the EPM cloud with username and password, like look like this. I already did this process. Then after that, part two, in this practice, you will navigate and review the FCCS application settings. Okay. What is the task? Sir? Click applications after logging in. Here the application. Hit on that. Now click overview to view the application information. Okay. This is the overview. For hit on that overview. This is the application information. Yeah. Click the dimension. Tap to view dimension details. Okay. Hit on the dimensions. Okay. These are the dimensions. Look like this. Now click actions to view the different actions available. This is the actions. Look like this. Same window is coming into the application. What are those? Import data, export data, copy data, clear data, and validate metadata, refresh database, remove application, inbox by outbox, explorer. Okay. Click the navigator icon. Okay. This is the navigator. Clicking the navigator. Okay. Select user preferences under tools. Okay. This is the tools cluster. Under the user preferences card is there. Hit on that. Okay. Yeah. This is the user. You can set the email profile picture for this. You can change the timing zone. What are those? These are the what are the displays notifications, ad hoc options, user variables, reports, form printing. This type of options is available in this user preferences. Next, okay. Click navigator, then select services under application, review the status. Okay. This is the application. Click the navigator, then application cluster, services card, application cluster is there. Here, services card is there. Hit on that. Here you can see that email notifications. What is the status is green. It will take some time. Okay. Now click home to return to the home page. Okay. Home to the return to the home page. Okay. Then next, that concludes the overview of the navigation for the SSS. In this practice, you will navigate and review predefined components. Okay. What are the tasks? Click navigator. Okay. This is the navigator. Then select a dimension under create and manager. Here the create and manager cluster is there. Here the dimension card is there. Okay. Okay. Select account dimension. Okay. Select accounting dimension. Okay. Review the predefined account in balance sheet. Predefined balance sheet. Predefined what can analyze FCCS underscore. These all are the predefined. So I can expand this FCCS balance sheet as per the following to the activity guide. Okay. Then click home icon. Then select data. Okay. This is the home icon. Then select data. Under FCCS balance sheet, select FCCS balance sheet by period form. Okay. Here, FCCS balance sheet, I can expand. Here the FCCS balance sheet by period. Okay. This is the FCCS balance sheet by period. Okay. Okay. Now hit on that home. Hit on that home. Go to the activity guide. Select the rules. This is the rules. Now then launch icon consolidate business rule. Okay. This is the launch. Here consolidate. Now this is the launch button. Look like the same window is coming. What are those? Review the data, then click cancel. Okay. Now I can hit on that cancel. Okay. Now click the home icon, then select valid intersection under the application cluster. Okay. Hit on the home icon. Here the application is the valid intersection card. So as per the valid intersection window is coming look like this in the application. This is the valid intersection. I can go to the another. Yeah, that this is the way of process the how to open the business rules consolidation and valid intersection. Now I can go to the another. In this practice, you will learn how to manage periods in FCCS application. Okay. Tasks. Click the home icon. Okay. Click the home icon. Select manage periods under the application cluster. Here the application cluster. Manage periods. Parts. Selecting. Now verify scenario as actual year is 2020. Supposed by industry. Note the order change scenario year dimension can change the numbers. Okay. This is the scenario here. Then after that, then click on go icon. Yeah. Click the action. Then January row. This is the row. This is the action. Select open. That is the I am follow to the activity. So that is the purpose. I am hit on that open. Now status is opened. Yeah. Now the status Jan will be changed to the open. Now the Jan status is opened. Now go to the creating a custom navigation flows. Okay. Now after that login, click the home button. This is the home page. This is the home page. Select the tools cluster and then select navigation flows. Here the tools cluster is the navigation flows. Here click action, create copy to create copy of default navigation flow. Okay. Create copy I'm selecting as per the follow for the activity guide. Here I am mentioning the name flow. Hit on OK. Yeah, hit on OK. Then I am also giving the name, then click the OK. Then click on newly creative navigation flows. Yeah, this is the newly created navigation flow. Click on that. Here, suppose remove task dashboard infolate clicking the remove icon. Okay, tasks and infolettes. Here, tasks is remove. Yes. And another one is the infolette. Dashboards. And another one is the infolette. Hit on yes. Then click yes in the dialog box. No, appears okay. Okay, I can here the assign type of the name of a group. Yeah, look like this. Here you can select the inactive navigation. Okay. Select the service administrator for this purpose. I am selecting the administrator purpose. Okay. Then hit on OK. Okay. Now, then click save and close. Select inactive, the navigation to active. This is the inactive state. So here I am selecting active. Okay. Now we'll notice that the task manager is the okay. No page on connect. In this home page. This is the flow. Yeah, you can see that here the infolettes and the tasks is and dashboards are not visible. This is the navigation influence. Okay, then set default. This is the way of processing, creating navigation flows. Now going to the another one. Adding accounts and entities. Okay. Log on to the EPM application. To add account dimension member, click navigator. This is the navigator. Dimensions under create and manage card. Here the dimensions card is there. Here the create and manage cluster. Here the dimensions card is there. Okay. To select account dimension, expand FCCS balance sheet. Select account dimension. Here the FCCS dimension. Here expand the balance sheet. Then after that, expand FCCS total balance sheet traditional approach. Okay, expand this one and expand this. Okay, expand the total assets in the select FCCS current assets. Yes. Expand the total asset and select FCCS current asset account. Select FCCS current asset. Okay, select. Then this is the current asset. Now click add child. Okay. Now click on add child. This type of window is coming. Now we're going to the another. Okay. Yeah, look like this. Here I am giving for the name. Is that investments as for follow for the activity guide. Investments name and alias name is also same. For this purpose, I am copy and paste. Okay. I'm pasting. Now, then click on the save. Here the save. Click save. Okay. Now under the investments account number, now under the investments account number, add a child account, selecting investments by clicking add child. Okay, because what is saying investments is there here. One of the child is you can create. So that is the purpose. I am selecting another one. Name is the investments current. Okay, so that is the purpose I am giving the name investment current. Name and alias name is same. For this purpose, I am copy and pasting it. Now after that, and data storage is never share. Yeah, this is the data storage. Here, can drop down is the can select never share. Okay, then click save. Okay. Now add two more child accounts under the investments with the following details. Okay. Now that is the purpose. Investments is there. So another two years add childs. Here the investment is. Now I can create the child. One is the so as per the naming is follow to the activity guide. COLL NV fund. COLL NV fund. Same as for the alias name. That is the purpose I am copying and pasting it. Okay. Okay. Alias name is collective investment funds. Okay. Collective investments funds. Okay. Then data storage is never share. This is the data storage. Here the never share. Then save. Now investments has create one more change. So, corp bonds. Okay. Naming is corp bonds. Follow to the activity guide of the naming. And alias is corporate bonds. Okay. Corporate bonds. Data storage is never share. Hit on save. Okay. Make sure the hierarchy looks like this. The following screenshot. Okay. First, now I can expand the investments. Now investments and corporate bonds and these look like this as per the same is coming to the my application. Now select to the entity dimension. Here drag and drop is there. I'm selecting the entity dimension. Select FCCS geography and add a child. Okay. Here the FCCS total geography. Here add the child. Name is segments. Alias is also same. Segments. Okay. Then after that, base currency is USD. Base currency is USD already given. Then hit on save. Yeah, segments is saved. Then similarly, add a child under the segment dimension. Okay. Give name EN01, alias is the same EN01. Okay. Segments, add child. Name is the EN01. As for the records, as for the activity guide, alias is also the EN01. and base currency is the USD. Base currency is the USD. Now hit on save. Okay. Then now under EN01 entity, okay, we add two more child entities with the following details. Okay. Here EN01 is the parent. That is the purpose I am creating the new one. What are the namings? EN0105. EN0105. Okay. Alias is the New York. So I giving the alias name. And mentioned New York. Base currency is the USD. Yeah, base currency is the USD. So return save. Now EN01 has another one child is creating. That is the EN0106 Boston. EN01. EN0106. Giving to the alias. Base currency is the USD. Return save. Yeah, okay. Here EN01 has EN0105 and 05 is the two childs. Okay. Now look like this. I have also coming. This concludes the adding childs to the member, to the adding childs to the members. Next, adding members to the movement dimension. Okay. This is the dimensions, the movement dimension. Here the select FCCS movements subtotal in the search button. Click search movements subtotal. Okay. In this expand. Here the FCCS movement subtotal. Yeah, you can see that FCCS movement subtotal. Then add the child. Okay. Follow to the activity guide. The name is the movements. Yeah, name is MVN movements balance sheet. Movements balance sheet. And alias is the change in balance sheet. The alias change in balance sheet. Okay. Then after that, yeah, you can hit on the save. Yeah. FSS subtotal has one of the child is created. What is that? Movements balance sheet. Okay. Now I can go to the activity guide. Next one is the adding currencies in the currency dimension. Okay. Here I am selecting the currency dimension. The navigator, create and manage the dimensions is there. Here I can select. Count consolidation data source entity intercompany movement multi-gap period product scenario view here HSP status. Okay. Here what he says in the dimension, so select currency dimension. Yeah, sorry, Shweta, in that my application has not showing currency dimension. Once I can check and come with the facing interview. Are you there, Shweta?
Yeah.
Sorry, but my application is not visible for the currency dimension. That is the purpose. Now I can quit and once again I am check. Now I can come back intimate to you. Sorry for that.